Hey, what is up everyone? Today I want to show you a game-changing tool called Vizard that has been saving me an insane amount of time every single week. If you are a streamer or content creator who spends hours combing through long VODs looking for that one perfect kill or funny moment, you already know how brutal that process is. I used to rely on older online services that would auto-clip my streams, but honestly, they often came with annoying watermarks, hidden paywalls, or slow processing speeds that just didn't scale. I really needed something that felt smarter and more integrated into my actual daily workflow, rather than just another one-off task that I had to babysit. That is exactly where Vizard comes into the picture, and I recently put it to the test with a massive 4-hour and 40-minute stream to see if it could handle the load. The setup process is incredibly straightforward, as you simply drop your long video file into the interface and tell the AI what kind of content you are actually working with. Whether you are doing intense gaming sessions, recording podcasts, or creating reaction videos, the tool adapts its detection algorithms to fit your specific niche. I usually bump the frame sampling up to 5 samples per second because for competitive gaming, I really want to make sure I catch every single clutch and kill. Once you hit that button to find clips, the AI starts scanning the entire file for highlights like headshots, big spikes in audio, and even sudden camera changes. You can even get nerdy with it and set your own custom triggers, so if a specific UI element or some text pops up on the screen, Vizard marks that as an event automatically. One of my favorite features is the ability to combine events within a certain time window, so you do not end up with a dozen tiny disjointed microclips. If you get 4 kills back to back, the tool intelligently stitches them into one cohesive 30 or 40 second clip that actually tells a compelling story. This is absolute gold for montage creators because it maintains the flow and energy of the play, instead of chopping it into pieces that make no sense. The flexibility here is key, as you can easily configure the pre-roll and post-roll settings to capture the perfect amount of build-up before the action happens. Another massive differentiator is that Vizard is not just a clipper, but a full-blown content pipeline that plugs directly into your social media scheduling. Instead of dumping files into a folder and manually managing uploads, you can use the built-in content calendar to automate the entire publishing process. You can set your desired posting frequency, adjust captions, and even pause the queue if a different, more relevant trend suddenly takes over your niche. It really feels like having a personal manager that understands the rhythm of your content strategy and keeps everything moving without your constant input. From a cost and convenience perspective, this model just makes more sense for serious creators who are tired of paying for multiple fragmented services. You get reliable event detection, sensible merging of related highlights, and direct scheduling, all inside one clean and efficient platform. If you need to do a little extra polish, the built-in quick editor lets you batch trim, add overlays, or slap on some audio without leaving the tool. And it is not just for gamers, as I have seen creators use these exact same features on long-form podcasts, educational lectures, and reaction videos. If you are running a talk show or a live stream where small, key moments like jokes or insights matter, this tool is going to find them for you. My recommended settings are 5 samples per second, a 5-second combine window for tight gameplay, and a 15-second pre-roll for maximum impact. Just remember that processing multi-hour footage does take a bit of time, but the accuracy and the downstream automation make it worth the wait. I personally love having the choice to either export clips to a local folder or push them straight into the autoscheduler for a consistent posting cadence. If you are a creator who wants to scale, this tool reduces the manual labor and prevents you from having to cobble together 5 different services. Let me know in the comments if you want a deep dive into custom triggers, OCR-based rules, or a tutorial on how to build a montage. I am happy to make a follow-up video on any of these workflows, whether you are focused on gaming highlights or long-form educational content. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you save some time, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.